Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set the WordPress featured image size in just a few straightforward steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to tailor your featured image dimensions for a more professional and consistent look across your site. Whether you're aiming for perfect thumbnail grids or that eye-catching landscape image at the top of each post, I'll walk you through how to control those settings with confidence. Alright, let's dive right in. We're going to use the WordPress dashboard for this, which is the safest, and honestly the most recommended, way to change your featured image size, especially if you're working with the default WordPress setup. No custom code, no risky file edits. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Settings menu. It might feel a bit tucked away if you're new to the interface, but you'll get used to it. Hover over Settings, and then click on Media. This is where WordPress controls the default sizes for every image you upload into your media library, not just featured images, but thumbnails and larger sizes that pop up throughout your site. Once you're in the media settings, you'll see fields for thumbnail size, medium size, and large size. Here, where the fun starts. Each of these size settings has width and height boxes, and adjusting these numbers will tell WordPress how large or small to make images of each type when they're uploaded. Now you might be wondering, which of these sizes does your featured image actually use? And it's a great question because the answer depends on your theme. If you're not sure what size your featured image uses, don't worry. The easiest way to find out is to check your theme's documentation. Most modern themes will tell you directly which image class your featured images use. If you're adventurous or maybe documentation is a little sparse, you can right-click on a featured image on your site and select Inspect in your browser. Look for a class name like Attachment Large or Attachment Thumbnail. That little class name tells you what you need to set. Let's say, for example, your featured image is using the large size. Just update the numbers in the large size boxes to what you want. Maybe you want all featured images to be 1200 by 600 pixels to match a nice widescreen layout. Add those values and then scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Easy, right? Take a breath here, you've just updated your site's default image sizes. But before you give yourself a well-deserved high five, there's an important note. These new size settings only affect images you upload after making the change. Any photos you uploaded before won't magically update to the new sizes on their own. If you notice your older featured images aren't fitting the way you want, don't panic. There's a fantastic plugin called Regenerate Thumbnails that can help. With just a couple of clicks, it will go through your media library and automatically create new image files with the updated dimensions, so your past posts can match your new settings. And that's it, you're now in control of your site's featured image sizes. Adjusting these defaults might seem like a tiny tweak, but it goes a long way toward giving your site a clean, polished, and consistent visual style. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you run into any questions or want advice on specific themes. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy WordPress tips and guides just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.